Ever wondered how much you can actually put into your Raiz account? You're not alone. It's a question that pops up for a lot of people looking to dip their toes into micro-investing. You know, you're scrolling through your phone, you see those ads, the promise of growing your spare change, and you think, okay, sounds good, but what's the catch? How much can I really put in there? We've all been there, right? You get excited about an investment opportunity, but then the fine print starts to blur, and you're left scratching your head. Especially with apps like Raiz, designed for everyday Aussies to invest small amounts, it's crucial to understand the limits before you jump in. Because let's be honest, no one wants to hit a wall when they're finally getting into the swing of things. So, let's cut through the jargon and get straight to the point. What exactly are the deposit limits for Raiz? First off, let's clear up a common misconception. Raiz doesn't actually impose strict, hard-capped deposit limits on how much money you can put into your account. Unlike some traditional investment platforms, they're designed to be flexible, catering to a wide range of investors, from those just starting out with a few dollars to those looking to invest larger sums. However, that doesn't mean it's a complete free-for-all. There are a few things to consider. One key aspect is the daily transfer limit from your linked bank account. This is determined by your bank, not Raiz. Most banks have daily limits on electronic transfers, which can indirectly impact how much you can deposit into your Raiz account in a single day. So, if your bank's daily transfer limit is, say, $10,000, that's the maximum you could potentially deposit into Raiz in one go, through that method. Then, there's the concept of your overall account balance. While Raiz doesn't explicitly limit how much you can accumulate in your account, it's essential to remember that higher balances can lead to higher fees. Raiz charges a monthly fee based on your account balance, and this fee structure can influence how you choose to manage your investments. Another point to consider is the type of investment portfolios you're using. Raiz offers various portfolios, each with different risk profiles and underlying assets. While the deposit limits themselves don't change, the performance and potential returns of these portfolios will vary significantly. So, you might choose to adjust your deposit frequency and amounts based on your chosen investment strategy. Furthermore, it's worth noting that Raiz periodically reviews and updates its policies, so it's always a good idea to check their official website or app for the most current information. Now, you might be wondering, why doesn't Raiz just give a simple number? The answer lies in their flexibility and accessibility. They want to make investing as easy as possible for everyone, regardless of their financial situation. By focusing on micro-investing and roundups, they cater to a broad audience. In essence, while there aren't strict, Raiz-imposed deposit limits, you need to be mindful of your bank's transfer limits, the fee structure, and your investment strategy. So, instead of thinking about rigid limits, think about your own financial goals and how Raiz can fit into your overall investment plan. Whether you're starting with a few dollars a week or planning to invest larger sums, Raiz offers a platform to grow your wealth over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.